Now.
An important notice. You may notice that we are wearing sunglasses, which is to obscure our actual identity. Anything's harmed in this video haven't been harmed, and they are purely special effects, not that we can afford that.
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
Dumbledore!
Yes, it's kind of catchy. Snape.
Dumbledore!
No, yeah. I'll tell you when to come in, okay?
Snape. Severus Snape.
Right, I'll start again. Right, I'll give you a little prompt this time. Snape.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore! Oh, you're getting the hang of it. Right, this time we're going to do it properly. Snape. Severus
Snape Dumbledore!
No, don't say mine. Say yours. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Snape. Severus Snape.
Jordan!
Right, you practice here, my darling. Okay?
You'd be wrong. Okay.
Run, Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Run, Weasley! Got a problem with music because I like ginger or something?
Dumbledore!
Yeah, I'm Ron Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron Weasley, okay, as more important than you, okay?
Dumbledore!
As more important.
Dumbledore!
I'm Snape. Okay, so Dumbledore, have you been practicing?
Yep.
Okay, let's try properly. Right, Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore! You idiot! My head. Dumbledore
Will rise again. Hello. In this video, you may notice that we are wearing glasses, which is to obscure our real identity.
Sorry.
You would be.
I'll just cut the whole start of this video then. This is a video I am going to cut the start of.
No,
just so I know when I'm watching it. Here we go.
No.
I'll say now. Okay. Now.
We might be able to do making noise, maybe.
Okay. Can this be an outtake?
No, yeah. No, okay, yeah, okay.